Gets caught in the crossfire. Gets caught in the
Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope that you all are doing great. I'm so sorry that I was not posting any videos in between, and also sorry about my voice. I think it's a bit husky, so I hope you all can hear me. मेरे को थोड़ा cold and cough हो गया है तो फिर इसलिए. Anyways, so as you all can see that I'm in rickshaw and we are in Mumbai, and rickshaw is the most convenient commuting way of commuting in Mumbai. So yeah, we are going for shopping in Bandra. So I have two friends of mine with me. This is Tejaswini and this is Suman. It's so exciting, guys. We are so excited to go to Bandra. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ी सी स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग करेंगे क्योंकि अभी थोड़ा पैसा कम है हमारे पास, तो फिर हम लोग थोड़ी स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग करेंगे. उसके बाद लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. आई सी यू देयर. How's it? Yum? You like it? Oh my god.
A few moments later.
ठीक है, ले लो 200 रुपये ले लो और भाई उसको चमड़ी दे और 10 किलो न्यू वाली.
There are three reasons why this vlog is so special for me today. I'll tell you the third reason in the end, by the end of this vlog, but the other two reasons I'll tell you. The very first reason is because I am in my favorite city, that is Mumbai, and the second reason is this lady. Show your face! Show your face, baby. Come on, show your face.
My eye.
It's okay,
Not
it's okay.
today, not today. Maybe,
It's okay, it's okay.
Maybe later, not today.
Okay. So this is my best friend BD, who is.
Hello everyone, maybe.
Oh my god, there's so much of rush. She is feeling a bit shy to show her face because there's some eye problem she's facing right now. But you guys already know who my best friend is because in every other photo she's tagged. This lady is tagged in every other photo.
कुछ कम कर दो. देखो ब्लॉग में
You're not buying anything? You're not buying?
No, I'm not buying.
भैया मुझे ये शर्ट बहुत पसंद आया. ये कितना लगाओगे बताओ?
600 में दो देना. हाँ भैया बस नहीं तो दोनों फ्री. भैया भैया हो जाएगा.
भैया थोड़ा कम करो. 300 हो जाएगा. चलो चलो. अब मैं इतने सारे शर्ट्स ले रहे हैं ना, 300 ले लो चलो चलो, ये वाला दे दो।
दो दे दो।
I was so hungry, I thought that I'll eat something healthy. I wanted to eat some chicken salad or something, but we couldn't find Subway anywhere, so see what we ended up eating. Very healthy. This is nice. Coffee! So healthy. Super healthy. Cheers, cheers! Wow, you've already taken a bite. Very nice. There you go. तुम्हारे जाने के लिए ऐसे चलेगा वो गॉगल्स खरीद लेते हो
सुन ना मैं वो हमें जाके तो ढूंढती रहती आकांक्षा कहाँ है आकांक्षा
क्लब के अंदर ढूंढते रहना तुम गॉगल्स पहन के देखो
हमारी दोस्त नहीं है
I don't know what are they shopping.
चलेगा तो
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, so I'm done with the shopping. It was so tiring, but I'm super excited to show you all what I've bought. So starting with, so I had plans to buy only formals, but you know how women are. कुछ खरीदने जाते हैं और कुछ और खरीद के आ जाते हैं. So starting with the formals, and trust me, everything that I have in my kitty is not more than 400. So this was of 300, but I bought it for like 250. I wanted to buy it for 200, but he was not listening because I'm really bad in bargaining. My friends are good, so they helped me. So shout out to my friends who went with me. So this is done. This is I'm really fond of silk shirts, which is in trend right now. So मैंने ये भी खरीदा. This is also for like yeah, it's of same price. It was of 300. I bought it for 250. Now this one, this is like my favorite. I loved it. I so loved it. And my friends. So my friends, Suman and Teju. These two people chose it for me. They were like, they were shouting from far off distance like, Akansha, we found the one that you've been looking for. I'm like, thank you guys. You guys are such saviors because this shirt is worth it. It's of 400, but I got it for 300. So it's a great deal. It's a Chinese collar that it has and it's beautiful. This print is, I loved it. Now, I just bought one, oh yeah, wait. There's another shirt that I bought. This is like a complete formal shirt. It's kind of simple, but then it's good. Like a proper formal. And yeah, this is also of 300. It was of 300 and he was not ready to give any discounts. It was of 300. और क्या है? Yeah, so that is it about the shirts. Now the trouser. I just bought one trouser because I did not like any other. So this is one trouser that I bought. Can you just get it down a little bit? Yeah. So this is what the trouser looks like. It's kind of flare from down, but the color is really good. I love this color. Oh yeah, it costed me how much? Any idea? You remember? It was a 500, no? So we bought it down to 400. सब में डिस्काउंट किया हमने, कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा. Yeah, apart from that, these are the two crop tops that I bought. It was of 300, so 150 each. इसमें और क्या ही डिस्काउंट करते हैं यार. It was of only 150, so yeah, these two crop tops, casuals, cute. This one is okay. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it, but I really found it cool sort of. So I'm just gonna wear it in like usual market या ऐसे कुछ थोड़ा cute top. Now the top, the most interesting and the most awaited one. I've been waiting and dying to buy one of these, but मुझे कहीं मिल ही नहीं रहा था. Finally I bought it. This leather top. Woohoo! Look at this. So this was of 500, but I got a deal of 350. Isn't it a good deal? It's a great deal, right, guys? I never knew that I'm so great in bargaining. I trust me, I suck at bargaining, but today it was pretty good. I did a great job. Learning from my friends who are shooting, Miss Suman and Teju. Okay, so these are these tie ropes. I don't know, what do we call these? Flat ones. These are not heel. I wanted to buy the flat ones, so it's of beige in color. It was pretty costly. It costed like 800, but I got it down to 500. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And some accessories I bought. Last but not the least, some accessories. I bought something for my mom. It was a surprise, but it's okay. I'm sure she will see it in my vlog, but I hope she doesn't see my vlog before I show it to her or gift her. So yeah, this is a bracelet sort of a thing that I bought for my mama. This is for you, mama. This was only for, since it's a gift, let's not declare the price. It's a gift, so yeah, it's a special one. Okay, the one that I'm wearing, I bought it along with this bracelet. So this bracelet costed me 150, but I got it down to 100. Yeah, this is kind of costly because it's rose gold. Bless you. Rose gold and a good one. This is a cute bow for the hair accessory. It looks pretty cool. It's 50, just 50, no discount. Yeah. And these two butterfly wala earrings, cutie. This was of 50 again. Yeah, all 50. That's it. That's all. Now my friends are going to show you what they all have bought and for how much. Stay tuned.
हेलो गाइस, तो मैं अपने लिए ये लेकर आई हूँ. ये 250 का एक है और मैंने एक और लिए, मतलब 500 के दो लिए मैंने. 250 ईच. एक ये लिया था और एक ये लिया है. दो टॉप लिए हैं मैंने. और मैंने भी कुछ फॉर्मल्स लिए हैं. आकांक्षा की तरह उसके ब्लॉग में आना है तो उसके तरफ भी तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा ना. एक ये लिया है मैंने 500 रुपीज़ का.
इस ट्राउजर की चेन खुली है, बट नेवर माइंड.
Akansha. And this is the next one.
This is nice, yeah. This is high waist, na?
Yes,
Because it has 3 buttons, so yeah. Good one. Both are checks, na?
Yes.
Both the trousers. Oh, you bought 3 trousers, okay.
This is also 500.
और इसकी भी चेन खुली है, चलो.
Thank you.
That's it?
Yeah.
You bought some accessories?
No.
Shoes?
No. I brought one bag also.
हाँ, where is that bag? Go bring
It's in
that
my
bag. हाँ, go.
I'm coming.
Later.
और ये है वो बैग जो 1200 का था और मैंने 950 में लिया.
Nice, yeah.
और मैं अंदर से दिखाऊँ थोड़ा सा, तो मैंने अपने थोड़े स्टफ्स भी डाल दिए हैं.
Spacious, na?
Yes.
And it has 2 pockets in front, as you all can see. 2 pockets.
Yes.
You can keep something like your phone or maybe pen or something of that sort.
That's it.
हाँ.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thanks to you.
Okay.
हेलो गाइस, ये मैंने शर्ट ली है. दिस इज़ माय फेवरेट कलर
the green one.
Okay.
और ये मैंने only for 300 rupees लिया.
It has a beautiful collar, not to mention.
Yes, that is why I like it. I'll show you the another one. This is the cute top. जो
Nice,
मैंने
bro.
सिर्फ 200 rupees में लिया है.
Wow.
And I like the lining of it.
The lining of it. It's like neon, no?
Neon one. And another one I bought one shirt. I really like its color and the quality is also really nice.
It's like kind of silk. No, it's not silk. Nylon.
It's a Georgette type.
Georgette. Okay, that's it. This is your favorite color, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Same like Akansha, I also bought the trouser and I really like especially the color and the material. So this is the one, and another one I bought this dark color, and this is also really nice.
Is this black?
You can say
Dark
not
brown.
black, but it's a dark brown color.
This is so nice, bro.
Yeah, and I like the fitting and all, everything was perfect.
It's gonna give you kind of baggy look.
Yes. And another last thing I purchased is one piece that I'm going to show you.
Bro, the color is exactly like mine, the kind of shoe that I bought.
Yes. And
Beige.
And Akansha and I bought the same color, and even the price of it is just for 300 rupees. So that's why I really like it, and it's nice.
Nice, bro.
Thank you.
So reasonable. Thanks to you too.
Bye.
Buy, yeah, buy, 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 buy.
My friends wanted to see me in this top, so I just wanted to show it to them. So I thought I'll show it to you guys as well.
Okay.
So this is the leather board which I was so excited to show you guys. I bought this, and I think it's kind of loose. When I was buying it back then also, I knew that it's not gonna fit me well, but still I bought it because I loved it, the color and everything. So I think I'll have to just fit it a little bit. Stitch करना पड़ेगा side से. उसके बाद I think it should fit me. Does it look good? Comment down below. Let me know. Also, my friend, come here. She bought a watch and she did not show it. See, she bought this watch. So good.
Price तो बता रहे.
Oh, price तुम बता दो. चलो. Be honest.
Price is 850, guys.
850.
Yes, 850.
Guys, if you want to buy, if you want to do such shopping, please go to Bandra Lincoln Road, or you go to what was that? Hill Road. Go to Hill Road or go to Bandra Lincoln Road. It's amazing. Street shopping, best street shopping. After Sarojini, I guess. Yeah, Sarojini is number one, but yeah, never mind. I loved it. So guys, with that I would like to end this vlog, and in the end I would like to let you all know about the third reason. You guys remember I told you in the very beginning of this vlog that there are 3 reasons why this vlog is so special to me. So the 2 reasons I've already mentioned. Sorry for my voice again. So 2 reasons I've already mentioned, and the third reason, sorry, the room is a bit messy, don't mind. So the third reason is so the vlog, the device that I'm making this vlog in is the GoPro 11, and that has been gifted by my brother, Mera Bhaiya. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. It means everything to me, because something like this, I never expected that I will receive such a great gift. So I asked him to give me a good quality camera जिसमें मैं थोड़ा vlog कर पाऊँ, and you know, because I'm not a great vlogger, I've just started, I'm a beginner, so I was not expecting a GoPro of latest model to be vlogging with, but he gifted me, so that's like really special for me. So thank you so much, Bhaiya. So shout out to you, brother. Thank you so much, big bro. Love you. Lots of love to you, and lots of love to you all too. If you have made it till the end, thanks a lot for watching the entire video, and hoping to see you all again very soon. Till then, take care, love yourself, and keep shopping, I guess. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Take care. Mwah. Bye.